What's up, guys? Welcome back. So thank you for tuning in, and thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Like, I never thought this would be me, in 2 weeks. So I really do appreciate you guys. Today's video is two braids with curly ends, and we washed and blow dried her hair right before this video. So I'm going to be using Total Transformation Edge Control by Hicks, and I'm going to smooth it in on both sides of the braid and throughout the main braid. But for now, we're going to do a side braid where you just put a braid on the side and I just want to see how it sounded. Okay, no, but seriously, you just put a braid on the side and it's going to be added into the main braid right there. That's coming, the bigger main braid. So I'm going to make that sectioned off. Use some edge control, get her edges together, and then I'm gonna come back and explain to you how I braided once I get to doing that. So to make it a feed-in braid, you just braid the client's natural hair a couple times. I braided about 3 or 4 times, and then I added in the middle of my index finger and my thumb, where I'm holding the braid. I add in that hair, and then I grab a piece of the client's natural hair to go along with that, and you just do that all the way back to the end of the braid. Now, for the side braids, you don't want to make it too big so that you don't have a thick medium or a thick main braid once you braid the braid next to it. And so if you need to, just slow this video down or rewind it, whatever you got to do to get it. But I'm adding it in between my index finger and my thumb, in the middle of that, and that makes me 2 legs already. So just keep on adding it all the way through. Make sure your pieces are small, and then there you go, a feed-in braid. So for this next braid, since we didn't flat iron her hair, we want to make sure it's as smooth as possible. Okay, so you're gonna put the edge control on the outside, in the middle of the braid, everywhere. Okay, and just do up them edges, do them up. Okay, do them up, and and keep that comb as you braid in so you can smooth it through. What you finna see me do here in just a couple seconds, but keep that comb in your hand. Okay, you want to make sure that comb is with you. All right, so I'm going to braid that braid a little bit as her natural hair, and then I'm going to fold it under all the way down. Don't forget to add in that second braid. And then I'm going to fold it under with the rubber band, put a wrap strip around it, and then boom, begin to wrap. So to make the braid curve, you just don't braid it straight back. You just bring it to the side a little bit and braid it. We braided it all the way down past her natural hair about a couple inches, and then folded it under and wrapped it with the rubber band. So this is the hair we're using from a local beauty supply store. It's the Lorex brand. I guess her name is Zuri. And she got an ombre red color, and she only got one pack, and we cut it in half, so we had to save on hair, so that's why we wrapped it so short, or braided it down so short. And you just take that glue, put it on the hair weft, and wrap it in the upward motion using the blow dryer on cool. Blow dry it on cool. Make sure you use cool. So you can freeze the glue instead of melting the glue where it won't stick. You want to freeze the glue on cool air. We used some spritz a little bit throughout, and yeah, you just continue to wrap that all the way up. And like I said, we only had one pack, and we cut it in half, so it's a little hair left extra on the first, or on the weft or whatever. We ran out of space to glue on the wrap strip, so we just kept wrapping it around the top of, like, we kept wrapping it over top of each other, and then we used some glue at the very end of the weft into spritz, and we stuck it together. Like, don't glue once you get past the wrap strip, because you're going to be gluing her natural hair. So just keep wrapping, until you get to the top of the end of the weft, and then I stick some glue on there. And I'm going to take a piece of hair from the braid, or a piece of curly hair, and I'm going to wrap that around the track so you don't see where the tracks start, and I'm hold it down with some spritz and a little bit of glue, and do the exact same thing for the other side, and there you go. I mean, you're done. This is an easy, quick, and simple hairstyle, and very cute actually. So stay tuned for my next video. I have a whole bunch more coming your way, so make sure your notifications are on. And again, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you all for supporting me on my journey, and just keep telling me your advices on my videos. I know I do a lot of smacking and like and stuff like that, so it's a habit. I got to get used to doing these voiceovers, but I appreciate all the advice, but make sure you keep it positive, because I don't want any negativity. I mean, if you're going to say anything negative, put it in a positive way, you know what I mean? Or don't say it at all. So, again, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate you guys, and please stay tuned with those notifications on, and tell me your video requests as well. So, thank you guys. I'll see you next video.